Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to build Android APK from Google AI Studio code. Let's get started. First, open Google AI Studio and go to New Apps. Here, you'll see an option called Build an Android app. Click on it to begin. Now, you'll see a text box where you can describe the Android app you want to create. Enter a detailed prompt describing your app, including what you want it to do and how you want it to look. Once your prompt is ready, click Run and let Google AI Studio start building your app. This process can take some time. First, you'll see your original prompt on the left side and the building process appear on the right side. After some time, you'll get a design preview of your app. Take a moment to look at it and see whether the design matches what you wanted. If you don't want to make changes at this stage, you can click Skip and continue with the app building process. Now, Google AI Studio will continue building your Android app. While the app is being built, you can take a moment to review the progress or simply wait for the process to finish. You'll also see a code option. Click it to explore the code generated for your application. Here, you can view the code behind your project, including the different parts used to build the app. Now, give the AI some time to finish building the application. Larger or more complex apps can take longer to generate. And after the build is complete, your app is ready to preview and test. You can now test the app and check whether everything works the way you intended. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI and app development tutorials.